How to manage caption settings on Instagram Reels. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Go to Reels. Tap on the caption if it's visible. Then go to Caption Settings. If the caption is not visible, then tap on the three dots at the right side of the reel. Then go to Closed Captions. Here you can find several different options. If you want to enable the auto-generated captions, simply select the first option. If you want to see the translated captions, choose the second option. If you go to Translation Settings, you can choose the language you prefer not to be translated. Simply choose the language from the list. You can also disable the Translate option at the bottom. If you want to disable the caption overall, then simply tap on Never Show Closed Captions at the bottom. And that's it.